Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Wednesday, 18 October 2023, I have 8 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. First pick of the day is a cat Swiss, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now back to the cat Swiss. Cat Swiss, we are short still from up there. We closed all the 1 hour trades and coming down very nicely for that final target now at the 1.618 FIB. Now you can see a nice new 4 hour low here. So I will be trailing the stop loss to this high plus my 5 or 10 pips slippage, and I'm still going for that final target at 1.618, which will be an amazing risk reward. It's about a 25 for a 75. It's a 1 to 3 risk reward. After closing all the 1 hour trades at risk rewards of up to 1 to 3, I'm very satisfied with this analysis and this trade. If it gets back up to that level, I'll still be interested as explained on the previous videos. And if you're not sure about the previous videos, I'll put the link in the description for you. So cat Swiss still good, no problem being short here. I would love to hit the target, but in the meantime, to protect my cash, I will trail the stop loss. Euro yen, same as yesterday, we got the break now. Now I'm waiting for the retest. Euro much stronger than the yen. I'm waiting for a retest and a 1 hour reversal on this falling trend line. Nasdaq, I showed it yesterday to you. It did retest the pattern plus this lateral support, the market structure here. Piercing line candle pattern, very nice entry. On the way to test the halfway mark here, the sweet spot, which will still be a good entry for me. Stop loss down below here. Dollar weakening, so I'm getting more and more US stock markets bullish. So I think we're still in the correct direction for the market. So 1 hours also gave an entry right at the same level. You see how their 1 hours tested the level and a nice bullish engulfing bounce. That was also the same entry as the 4 hour close on a piercing line candle. So I'm good with the long and I'll sit with it. If I can get a bounce from here up to a new high, I will then trail the stop loss to this low. But until then, I will keep it here. Aussie US, I showed this level for shorts, and contrary to what I see here, I will stand back from the short because of the Aussie getting very strong. It was down here and it's now stronger than the dollar. So I'm stepping away from this trade, although it's giving a perfect setup. If you look at the 1 hour chart, nice shooting stars, exactly for a short, but the relative strength on this one scares me a little bit. So I'm stepping away from this trade. I will re-look this trade once I see a break on this rising trend line here. If I see a break and the Aussie comes lower and becomes weaker, I will then reconsider my entry. But for now, I'm going to step away following my rules. Although it's very tempting when I look at this, it looks so bearish on the price action. But the strength shows me something is happening here, and it could be just a little bit of a sell-off and then the run up the page. But if it breaks down this rising trend line, I'm pretty sure that the bear trend wants to continue, and then I will have it back on my list. Well, let's see, maybe tomorrow or the day after that. Gold, which I was still cautiously long. We had the long here, we took the targets, we had the consolidation break, which I showed you yesterday. We entered into another long trade there, and I showed the first target being hit there just below the 1.27. I'm still pushing for the 1.618 levels. So very nice trade, guys. Let us trail our stop losses to this white candle low. It's not break even, but with a first target being hit on this trade, I'm comfortable losing a little bit here. Even if you put it at break even, nobody will be cross at you. Dollar weakening, so we should see more gold upside. We will see a little bit of a sell-off based on that resistance, that market structure there, but it shouldn't be that bad. I will re-enter or re-look this trade by the time it bounces off this support level here. And now I'm looking, if it comes back after hitting 1.27, it might come back here. I will look for 1 hour entries, providing the dollar stays weak. On the Euro CAD, I showed this falling wedge. We got the break, now the retest. Now I'm getting interested. Euro stronger than the CAD at this stage, so I am willing to go long here on any form of a 1 hour candle reversal or double bottoms or any technical patterns you like. I prefer the candle patterns. Then the Euro US also retesting this level here now, which is not one of my better ones, but Euro US, I see the strength coming in here. Don't be in a rush. Make sure that we get a solid candle reversal before I will take a long here. But it is at market structure. That was support, resistance, and could become support yet again. So we'll see. But if it keeps dropping like a rock here, obviously the 1 hour candles will not give us a reversal. Then my favorite idea for today is the US Swiss, a short on the US Swiss. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the US Swiss. Very nice market structure coming here. Triple bottom, testing again here. But I first need a 4 hour close below. With the dollar way weaker than the Swiss franc, I'm going to need a 4 hour close below. If it finds support here and bounces off, no harm done, and that's it. Other than that, I would like to get a close below, and then I will start to look at shorting this area on candle reversals. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.